talked my friend Diane McPhail into doing this video for me because I thought the story that she told me today was so interesting and so touching, and one that I cried when I heard it, and I think you will too, and that's why I wanted her to share it with us. So this is the story of the gown.
You know, I believe in angels. And so all last week and the week before, I think an angel was telling me through God to look in the closet. I remembered a negligee that was used by one of my girls. I didn't know which one. And I could remember that negligee being in a box. I took a stool yesterday morning and I went into the closet of Angel's old room. And I saw the box immediately. Well, I had to pull it out from underneath everything that was on top of it. And when I pulled it out, I sat down in the chair because I then cried. This box, and if you can see the writing, is written for Diana. It says the wedding gown that's in this box was Dee Dee, Jody, and Angel's. Diana is next in line when she's all grown up and to be used on her wedding night. Love you, Mamo Ellen. When writing this, Angel and Mark are on a short honeymoon. It was written June the 3rd of '93. When I opened up the box with tears streaming down, this gown was bought by me 25 years ago, and it was used by my 3 girls on their wedding nights. And I'm giving it to Diana tonight. Hopefully that when she opens it and when she uses it on her wedding night, she will then give it back and we'll hand it on to Allie and then maybe one day to little Maddie Ellen.